Garden compost, the secret to a thriving garden. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic for all gardening enthusiasts and English learners: garden compost. We'll explore what garden compost is, why it's beneficial, and how it can transform your garden. Whether you're a gardening beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding garden compost is key to a healthy and vibrant garden. Garden compost is a natural and organic matter that has been decomposed and recycled as a fertilizer and soil amendment. It's a crucial element for garden health, composed of various organic materials like leaves, kitchen scraps, and lawn clippings. This mixture eventually breaks down into a nutrient-rich substance that enriches the soil and promotes plant growth. Using garden compost comes with a multitude of benefits. It improves soil structure, which enhances the soil's ability to hold water and nutrients. It also promotes soil fertility by providing a range of essential nutrients for plant growth. Additionally, compost can help in suppressing plant diseases and pests, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers, and is an excellent way to recycle kitchen and yard waste. Creating garden compost is a simple and rewarding process. Start by selecting a spot in your garden for a compost pile or bin. Add organic materials in layers, alternating between moist and dry. Moist ingredients are food scraps, tea bags, and seaweed, while dry materials include straw, leaves, and sawdust. Turn the pile every few weeks to help the decomposition process. Once mature, spread the compost around plants or mix it with garden soil. A common misconception is that compost is smelly. However, when properly maintained, compost should have a pleasant, earthy smell. Another myth is that compost attracts pests. In reality, a well-managed compost bin will not attract more pests than a regular garden. Garden compost is a fantastic way to boost your garden's health and sustainability. It's easy to make, great for the environment, and provides numerous benefits for your plants. So, start composting today and watch your garden thrive. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful in your gardening journey.